Imagine a world, the place you have the strength to manipulate your monetary destiny, the place your money works for you even while you sleep. This is the promise of crypto investing, a great chance to reshape your future. The digital age has ushered in a new generation of possibilities, and cryptocurrencies are at the forefront. But here is the thing, to succeed in this realm is still mostly untapped. In this video, we are going to find the strategies, tips, and insider expertise you want to make knowledgeable funding choices and liberate your route to financial freedom. Welcome to our channel, the place we find the secrets to financial freedom in the digital age. In the present-day video, we're diving deep into the thrilling world of crypto investing. Are you geared up to liberate the doable for big gains? Well, you are in the proper place. Stay tuned as we expose the secrets and techniques to constructing wealth through cryptocurrencies. Let's get started. Before we delve into the secrets and techniques of crypto investing, let's first know the revolution taking place. Cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, have disrupted ordinary monetary systems, presenting decentralization, security, and workable for exponential growth. In easy terms, cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that use cryptography for invulnerable transactions. Unlike ordinary fiat currencies managed using central banks, cryptocurrencies function on decentralized networks known as blockchains. This decentralization eliminates the want for intermediaries, making transactions extra environment-friendly and transparent. But why are cryptocurrencies growing such a buzz? They keep the promise of remodeling finance as we recognize it. With points like immutability, privacy, and world accessibility, cryptocurrencies empower people to manipulate their money. It's a paradigm shift, and in this video, we will dive deeper into this thrilling world to free up its secrets. Now that you hold close to the basics, let's discover the manageable for large features in crypto investing. Cryptocurrencies have been recognized to skyrocket in value, producing life-changing returns for early adopters. One great instance is Bitcoin. In simply over a decade, it went from being sincerely nugatory to achieving astronomical heights, developing millionaires along the way. But Bitcoin is just the tip of the iceberg. Thousands of different cryptocurrencies provide exquisite increased potential. By figuring out promising projects, inspecting market trends, and grasping the underlying technology, you can roll yourself to trip the wave of crypto market volatility. In this video, we will expose the techniques used by way of profitable traders to maximize their beneficial properties and supply you with the expertise and equipment to find this exciting landscape. The crypto market can be intimidating, however, worry not. We're right here to equip you with the pointers and hints you want to navigate this thrilling landscape. One fundamental tip is to continue to be knowledgeable about market trends. Crypto markets can be tremendously volatile, and staying up to date with contemporary information and trades is crucial. We'll show you how to get entry to dependable sources of statistics and interpret market indicators, giving you an aspect in making knowledgeable funding decisions. Additionally, we are going to share techniques for evaluating cryptocurrencies and figuring out promising projects. From conducting quite essential and technical analyses to appreciating the group at the back of a task and assessing its real-world applications, you may acquire the capabilities to separate the gems from the noise. Get ready to find the crypto market like a pro, armed with precious insights and confirmed strategies. Successful crypto investing is all about developing various portfolios. Just like in standard investing, spreading your investments throughout the distinctive property is quintessential to control dangers and maximize attainable returns. In the world of cryptocurrencies, variety goes past simply Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll introduce you to quite several kinds of cryptocurrencies, which include setup giants and promising altcoins. Each cryptocurrency brings its special traits and booms possible to the table. We'll inform you about the manner of strategic portfolio allocation, considering elements like danger tolerance, funding goals, and time horizon. By spreading your investments through exceptional cryptocurrencies, you may create a well-rounded portfolio that can climb market fluctuations and capitalize on rising opportunities. Prepare to develop your horizons and find out the power of diversification in crypto investing. Crypto investing comes with its truthful share of risks, however, the key lies in gaining knowledge of change management. By grasping and enforcing fantastic danger administration strategies, you can guard your investments and limit manageable losses. One imperative thing of threat administration is putting stop-loss orders. These orders routinely promote your cryptocurrencies if their costs drop under a predetermined level, limiting your losses. We'll exhibit to you how to set these orders and talk about different threat mitigation strategies like role sizing and portfolio rebalancing. Moreover, thorough lookup is quintessential to mitigate risks. We'll share satisfactory practices for conducting due diligence on cryptocurrencies and grasp the underlying technology, team, and market dynamics. Armed with knowledge, you may be capable to become aware of and keeping away from achievable scams and unreliable projects. By learning the art of danger management, you may navigate the crypto market with self-belief and protect your investments. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is revolutionizing the financial by providing decentralized selections to regular banking services. With DeFi, you can lend, borrow, earn interest, and even take part in yield farming and staking, all whilst holding manage over your funds. We'll discover the interesting possibilities DeFi affords and information you through the method of getting started. You'll examine how to pick dependable DeFi platforms, check the dangers involved, and make knowledgeable funding decisions. The world of DeFi is dynamic and hastily evolving, however, we will grant you the expertise and equipment to capitalize on its potential. Don't pass over on this threat to leverage the energy of decentralized finance and take your crypto investments to the next level. While crypto investing presents the conceivable for vast gains, it is indispensable to domesticate a mindset for long-term success. The crypto market can be volatile, and it is convenient to get caught up in non-permanent fluctuations. However, profitable investors know the significance of persistence and a long-term perspective. In this part, we are going to discover techniques to foster a disciplined strategy for investing. We'll talk about the importance of placing practical goals, managing emotions, and heading off impulsive choices based totally on market hype. By adopting a long-term mindset, you may be ready to trip out market fluctuations and continue to be centered on your financial goals. Prepare to increase the attitude indispensable to find the ups and downs of the crypto market and obtain lasting success. In the hastily evolving world of crypto investing, staying in advance requires a dedication to non-stop getting to know and adaptation. Technologies change, new tasks emerge, and policies evolve. To thrive in this dynamic landscape, you need to be inclined to embody ongoing training and adapt your techniques accordingly. We'll share sources and techniques to assist you continue to be up to date on cutting-edge trends, news, and enterprise developments. From legit crypto publications and boards to attending conferences and becoming a member of online communities, we will information you precious gaining knowledge of opportunities. By staying knowledgeable and adaptable, you will be placed to catch new possibilities and navigate the ever-changing crypto landscape. Get ready to embark on a lifelong mastering trip and embody the energy of adaptability in your crypto investing endeavors. Congratulations! You've made it to the give up of this eye-opening experience into crypto investing secrets. But remember, understanding myself is now not enough. Join our thriving community of like-minded people passionate about crypto investing. By subscribing to our channel, you will get admission to trendy insights, professional interviews, and treasured resources. Our neighborhood is a hub of knowledge, collaboration, and support, the place you can remain beforehand of market traits and share your experiences. Don't leave out the possibilities ready for you in the digital age. Hit that subscribe button and embark on an interesting trip toward economic freedom with us. Adjust the period of every section as wanted to make sure the average video size falls inside the preferred range. These sections goal to furnish unique information, insights, and actionable hints to the viewers, empowering them to make knowledgeable selections in the world of crypto investing. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.